How's it guys? Welcome to the channel. So today I have a quick unboxing of the PS5 Astro, the proper game of the year winner. A bit late to the party, but the game wasn't dropping in price. I actually picked this up for 600 rand guys, South African rands. I'll put a dollar figure up for you. Brand new sealed copy, and the guy has a digital version. So this came as something was wrong with the digital version, so they gave him this game free because something was wrong with the download code. But he already has this here and he played it, so he decided to sell it. So I got it cheap, so that's why it's a bit late. Astrobot, we got one player, 46 gigabyte, vibration function, trigger, blast off into super sized adventure. So this game, I think with the updates they got a lot of content, lot. So it's a Team Asobi PlayStation Studios game. Oh yeah, so we got the game this year, brand new. Oh, we got some cover art. Let's put this game this side. Put all this here. So we've got reversible cover art, guys. That's nice. I don't know if it's actually a reversible cover art because it doesn't say PlayStation on the spine. Maybe it's just artwork, something extra for the guys, huh? And we have like a little manual thingy here. And what the hell is this here? Let's get this out of the way. This looks like a poster. Oh, so this is like the map of, if you played the free game that came with your PS5, it's similar to this here. So this is just like a map. So this is the PlayStation ship. Also, this is where everything goes. It's in a PlayStation, and then you have all your little things there. Okay. And I don't know what this is. A cat. Punch. Pretty nice, I guess. Pretty darn nice. Astrobot. So that's the unboxing, guys. A little longer video of my unboxing of videos, as I got some little extras here. But this game is my game to start off 2026. I've been late to the party. I've been busy at home sorting some stuff out. Finally free now. Can open these games and finally play them up. Anyway guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Out guys.